If you can weak si wala spark n'ilu a soldier, do you understand me? Now, when we enjoy Kowalo never. So many of us don't understand that the only person that have the power to command a soldier in Nigeria is our president. Do you understand me? Your governor don't have the power to command a soldier. Your minister have no power to command a soldier. Do you understand me? Just only nwere command that guy for ebe his superior, and onye ayakwa nọ under military chain and lawfully. Apart from that, ihe ya na-esi Wike kọọ ebe ahụ, he will never allow you to penetrate into that property. Kama ya akụsawa obodo. That guy ị na-afụ ebe a nọ ebe a for instruction. So ọ bụ na Wike bụ a good reader, ka ọ bịa ebe a fụ that guy, ọ bụrụ that guy si onwe kwuru ebe a fụ mmadụ superior ya bụ onye nyere the command si anọla ebe a and don't allow anybody to enter na this property. Then ọ bụ na Wike bụ a leader, you supposedly maybe are you acting on which person's command or authority, then the guy will explain to him. If you're dealing with Wike Ichigazu, just sort throw the thing out without that drama enough. Because after if our brother will join Igbo post as in a daily post to the Eba in a video also that na Igbo calls for dismissal of a soldier who confronted the FCT minister. Do you understand what I'm saying? That guy who baffle Enwere take order from a FCT minister. That guy can never take order from a governor. Do you understand? Big senator. So onye nwere the power to command that guy ebe a bụ Chief of Armed Forces bụ President Monagana abụ. Ịghọtara na ife a na-agwa gị, mana ọ because of again na anyị nọ na country nwe ka o si wee dị normal o nwere ife soja nọ ebe afọ eme. Do you understand what I'm saying? And the couple with ife na akụkụ maka Wike. Ịghọtago ọpụta ebe a na-akọ ife that drama afọ adịrọ necessary. To the extent in the police bitapụla ebie challenge the onye amị afọ. Ịnụrụ ife onye amị gwara ya ebe afọ. Do you understand me? No junior ya ka ọ bụ. Now when he's talking, he don't talk, he's supposed to talk. Do you understand? Now we cannot go ahead and be telling the young soldier, hey, you cannot develop here. About the guy with that place. When for Basaria, that guy you know about for the yala abata that property. As simple as that. And you cannot dare penetrate that property. He talk akosa everywhere akosa. Yotago. So onye nwere the power he direct that guy na afọ ebe a bụ his superior and lawfully because o nwere onye zitere ebe afọ o ji wee kwuru that place. Wala agada gbachiri ụzọ bụ na yara akụlikwa ebe ahụ. Because if a na-abụrụ kịta nọ civilian, nwanne akara bọndụrụ that civilian tinye na pick-up. Just send bujie na prison. Do you understand me? Mana ịma go that na-ekwe n'ite ekwele. Power jam power. So power jam power. The lesser one will surrender. Do you understand me? But the enchok got back came out that na apart from their superior, do you understand me? And our Chief of Armed Forces, our president, apart from this two things mentioned, only any other person in the power, a other Nigerian soldier, be it your governor, be it your minister, be it your senator, be it any politician. Do you understand me? And they all know about on somebody's command. So when if you're not about until he's about poor. You don't understand? Now we can now make a call, hoping that after call or the Oga Pata or the Oga or hand their phone over to the Oga Pata. Do you understand me? Kapia show the guy, but so unfortunately, Melo to have we can I below Zoom which has Kabul go civilian Gaddafi FCT minister, Kaketa will go FCT minister. And then the military, because I don't know is retired military man being with the property. Do you understand what I'm saying? If all the kind of country man again, but if all the drama and remember, I'm weak every reader. Copy ever for that guy, or you suppose him and that guy under instruction. Only if you that guy supposedly na ịjụ ya kedu onye nyere gị instruction iji wee nọrọ. Ị gaghị akọwara ya si nekwa onye Wike je sort things out with the person. Without that, drama ị na-afụ ebe ahụ